नमो राघवाय। Says Shyaram, respected organizers and viewers, please accept my naman. सिया राम मैं सब जग जानी, करहु प्रणाम जोड़ जुग पानी. I feel myself grateful to be a part of this vast and creative global forum organized on the Ramayana, which is really great and appreciable. I feel myself pleasure to speak something on the Ramayana, particularly on the day Badi Ramayana. The Ramayana. नाना भांति राम अवतारा, रामायण शतकोटि अपारा, कल्प भेद हरिचरित सुहाए, भांति अनेक मुनीसन गाए. रामचरितमानस बालकांड 33 चौपाई. The Ramayana is composed of two words, Ram plus Ayan, that is Ramayana. The mirror image of Lord Rama called Ramayana. The Ramayana is a great epic first written by Maharshi Valmiki almost 10,000 years ago, before the birth of Lord Ram in Treta Yuga. The Lord Ram is Mahavishnu, the Supreme God. He remains in each and every yuga, that is era. He was in Satyuga and era, rather even before. As per Hindu mythology, he took 24 incarnations on earth to crush the pride, greed, wickedness in the form of conscious and to save his devotees. Further, Lord Ram is a form of Mahavishnu. Bharat is Kshir Sagar Vishnu, that is Kshir Sagar is milk sea that Lord Vishnu rests. Lakshman is Vaikuntha Vishnu, the above of Lord Vishnu, and Shatrughan is Bhum Vishnu. Here Bhum means Bhumi, that is land. According to some class of Sanatan Dharma, Lord Vishnu is also called as Narayan. Ma Janki is Mahalakshmi in Treta Yuga. Mahavishnu appeared as Ram, son of King Dasrath, and the other three forms of Vishnu appeared in his three brothers in Ayodhya. Ram Ram Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranam Tatulyam Sri Ramanam Baranane. Mahalakshmi appeared as Janki, as the daughter of Mithilesh Janak in Janakpur, as an energy of Ram mentioned in Krishna Yajurved Rudra Hridaya Upanishad. Naro Rudro Naruma Nari Tasmai Tasmai Namo Nama Rudro Brahma Vavani Tasmai Tasmai Namo Nama Rudro Vishnu Mahalakshmi Tasmai Tasmai Namo Nama Rudro Surja Uma Chaya Tasmai Tasmai Namo Nama Rudro Ling Uma Pitha Tasmai Tasmai Namo Nama. The Vedas reveal the originality of Lord Ram. The same Lord Ram comes to Mrityalok to perform the different types of work for his devotees. Maharshi Valmiki wrote the first Ramayana, which was composed of 1 Arab slokas. Once upon a time, Devguru Brahaspati asked Maharshi Valmiki, in presence of Brahmarshi Vasishtha, who was the Kulguru of Suryavansh, in which Sri Ram had taken birth, that how he could write such a vast Ramayana even before the birth of Sri Ram. Maharshi Valmiki replied that when a person chanting a specific mantra for a very long time with full attention and devotion, the distance between the mantra's God and the devotee who chants becomes lesser and ultimately uh, ends. The devotees and the mantra connected with each other. This theory is given in Vedas as Mangve Manas Pratisthita Manobe Vaj Pratishthitam. Here one question arises in the mind of people that why Lord Ram's name is of such importance. The answer to this question is Ramayana itself is replying this. It is countless Ramayans are there. It is written in many languages like Sita Ramayana written in Bengali by Chitwas Jha. Kumbh Ramayana wrote in Tamil by Kumbha. Ramcharitmanas written in Awadhi by Sri Goswami Tulsidas. Ramcharitmanas became so popular that first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, gifted it to Chow En-lai, Chinese premier, who gladly accepted it. There are 22 official languages in India, each with Ramayana recitation. I am a Maithil Brahmin, born in Mithila, where Ma Janki appeared from the earth. In Maithili, there are 4 to 5 Ramayans, and even I have translated Valmiki Ramayans in Maithili, naming Gadyatmak Valmiki Ramayana in 2 volumes. Not only in India, other countries have also written Ramayana in their own regional languages. Now I would like to talk about the one Arab slokas written by Valmiki ji. Brahmadev told Valmiki ji to write Ramayana, and Valmiki wrote Ramayana and began to chant the slokas in front of Brahma. To hear the Ramayan's chanting, and the sages, ascetics, constant Nagas and Gandharvas came from different lokas like Brahmalok, Vishnulok, Shivalok, Indralok, Mrityulok, Gandharvalok, that is from all the 14 lokas people came. The content and the way of presentation was very effective as well as very lucrative. Character of Ram and others' personalities was so attractive and interesting that everybody wanted to have the Ramayana with them to take their lokas. Further, they began fighting each other to obtain the same. After observing the turmoil, Lord Vishnu ordered to distribute the Ramayana equally among sages, devtas and demons. There remained one sloka which was divided into 3 parts, but still one word remained, that was Ram. The word Ram can't be distributed, rather accepted in one life for chanting and making one's life successful. It may be mentioned here that books were not distributed, slokas were distributed. As the number of slokas were 1,000 millions, from this 1/3 came to the earth. This was distributed in 7 islands. After giving the shares to 7 islands, 4 slokas remained, which was given to Brahmadev, which is known as Chatusloki Bhagavat. Still one word remained, that was Sri, and that Sri is Ma Sita, mother of all mankind. This was so important for mankind that even one letter of this Ramayana versus the great sins committed by mankind. All the Ramayans describe the character of Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, Sita, saints and sages, Rishi, Maharshi, etc. One who follows their path gets a real man's life, utility of man given by God. तुलसीदास writes in रामचरितमानस, बड़े भाग मानुष तन पावा, सुर दुर्लभ सब ग्रंथन गावा. In Valmiki Ramayana there is written, चरितम रघुनाथस्य शतकोटि प्रविस्तरम एकैकक्षरम पूषां महापातकनाशनम ध्यात्वा नीलोत्पलश्यामं रामं राजीवलोचनं जानकी लक्ष्मणोपेतं जटामुकुटमण्डितं शासितं धनुर्बाणवापाणि नक्तरान्तकं स्वलीलया जगत्त्रातुमार्गं विभम्. There are other Ramayans also with great importance, but Adhyatma Ramayana and Ananda Ramayana are very interesting. In Ananda Ramayana there are 15 slokas with great importance. That is the conversation in between Ram and Sita called De Ramayana, that is Badi Ramayana, which is as follows. According to Ananda Ramayana, once Ma Janki requested Lord Ram to clear her curiosity. On hearing the polite request, Lord Ram asked Ma Janki to state her curiosity. If it would be something personal too, he would answer by a Sanskrit sloka, Prichhasya Site Sitesthyaddhammang Sukhena Tata Ma Sanka Bhadaram Bhorguyam Chapi Vadami Me. In this way, Lord Ramchandra told her to proceed. She told Lord Rama to give her a sermon so as to enrich her wisdom, like Lord Ram. Lord Ram praised her curiosity and told her to listen to full concentration. To attain enlightenment, Lord Rama would tell her a unique sermon in the sea of kindness and happiness. And the waves of mind, there are few drops of wisdom called the soul, which is inside our brain. The soul has 4 parts which include Turiya-avastha, the eldest, Jagriti-avastha, the second, Swapna-avastha, the third, and Supta-avastha, the fourth. In the domain of the heart, they remain rested, but sometimes they come out suddenly. In the darker side of the mind, the Maya crushes the sanskars. If somehow our mind gets diverted towards wrong path, then our soul wanders in the dark and lonely forest, aimless. At that time, the only way for emancipation is to calm your Panchabhut soul and destroy the darkness. You will get peace. Thereafter, in the house of soul lives anger, greed, and enchantment, etc., which we have to conquer. Positiveness and true enlightenment also live in the same house. Amongst the 3 patent Rajogun, which is of earthly desires, is filled with sadness, as she, as they want to get more, is to not fulfill, thus leading to discomfort. Hence, the darkness of enmity, sadness, curses, etc., is seen everywhere. Thereafter, there is a point of time where all sadness is forgotten. At this stage, a seed of Vivek is sown in the heart of that person with the development of bhakti, that is, piousness and devotion, which destroys the ignorance and needless courage. In Trigunatmak body, one is first set free from ignorance, self-pride is also destroyed, and now human being becomes a devotee and is called Lingratma. The greed also goes away with self-pride. After conquering these two defects, human mind has to win over earthly desires called Maya. Here Maya orders to the work related wickedness. After winning over Maya, devotee develops Satchit Anand. Just when the soul reaches his height, be or she supposed to be there, mukti or the almost salvation or nirvana. Amongst the four types of mukti, the mukti is defined as Sayujya mukti. Lord Ram further stated that he had placed a box of knowledge in front of Ma Sita, which contained 15 slokas as told before, which would enlighten the ignorant and demolish the wickedness. This imaginative box to be taken care of very particularly and reversed always. Lord Ramchandra requested her to read the slokas. In this way, first listening to Lord Ramchandra, Ma Sita thought on this for a while, and after concluding her thoughts, she touched the feet of Lord Ram. After getting the code of enlightenment, Ma Janki was extremely happy. On enlightenment, her eyes were flooded by happiness. When Lord Rama saw Ma Sita dancing, he asked whether she had overcome her ignorance and whether she had understood him. If Ma Janki hadn't understood anything, then Lord Rama will recite a slok for her. Ananda nirvaram setam distang tang ragbo pravita petikayam prasite king distam tosakarakam kanchidagatam tava jnana kantalabdam mamatvaya संज्ञानम बदमासीते यथा ज्ञातम त्वया हृदि ज्ञातम त्वया वा न ज्ञातम वेतुमिच्छने तन्मुखात् यदि किंस्यानास्यं ज्ञातम तद्बोधयाम्यहम्. After hearing Lord Ram, Ma Sita said, the head of Rahukul, one who broke Ravan's pride, I have acquired the box of knowledge given by you. My Lord, you are eternal. All your leelas or works are always for the good of the universe. All that I have learned from your speech, I am applying it to you through the 15 slokas with a deep meaning given by you to me. With the ignorance destroying box, I learnt whatever personal or good which can do good for the beings. To understand human, we have to first go through the mutual characteristic of typical types of humans. Then after we can decide that if he can get Atmagyan. Lord Vishnu, who is a sea of Satchit, Satchit Anand, to save this earth away from sea which is the want of Vishnu and their drops which make it all it are the souls. Ma Kausalya is the thought of Vishnu, pure Satogun of Lord Vishnu is Sri Dasarath. Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan are the four parts of soul. As he is eldest, so Lord Ramchandra is Turyavastha. Lakshman is Jagriti Avastha, Bharat is Swapna Avastha, and Shatrugna is Susupta Avastha. To destroy this disturbing, Vishwamitra in his chant, which is Manoved, the death of Tarika was the decline of the darkness of mind. The breaking of Shiva's bows is the cracking of the grid. The work of Maya was our wedding. The incident with Lord Parasuram was the abolition of pride. Kaikeyi was the soul of Durbuddhi. The wandering in the forest was Bhavag Supnakha was related to wickedness, and the golden deer was a nigrah of wants. The gunas are related to the next events taken place. Maya is the mixture of three things. One of them is Lankakan, then coming to Ayodhya, the turn of happiness, the removal of Maya, here Lanka brings happiness, but the removal of Sattvic Maya may lead to destruction after leaving the human body. Lord Vishnu is a way of Sayuja Mukti. Lord Ram is Nirguna, Nirvikara, Karmatit and Satchidananda. This is the box of knowledge given by you to me. After thinking about this many times, I am going to obtain salvation. I have made a mala of these 15 slokas given by you and hold it. If this chain of slokas is owed by anyone else, that person would surely attain salvation. On my polite request, you gifted me the unavailable gift to enlightenment of enlightenment, the form of sermon. On hearing such words from Master Janki, Lord Rama responded saying, "O Sita, you are true ascetic. You have polished the box given by me. You have made the knowledge given by me much more easier. This summary made by you will help humans to attain salvation." On this way, Ma Sita synthesized the sermon given by Lord Ram for the human sake is known as Deh Ramayana, Body Ramayana. Speaking about the Ramayana and thinking of him, talking about the Ramayana and thinking on it remains unworthy without discussing the character of Hanumanji. At a point of time when the monsters were causing destruction on the earth, all devtas went with Brahmins and cow. They went to Lord Brahmaji and told the problem. Thereafter, the devtas, including Lord Shiva, began to pray to Mahavishnu. Hearing their prayer, Lord Vishnu told that he will take birth on the earth to crush the cruelty of monsters and resolve their problem. Hearing this, the devtas were relieved and started to go to their destination. Brahmadev told all of them to take birth on the earth in the form of monkeys and pigs in order to serve Lord Ram. Thus, Lord Shiva took the form of Hanuman, Brahmadev took the form of Jamban, Sun God took the form of Sugriva, and Indra Dev took the form of Bali. Lord Hanuman is the dearest devotee of Lord Ram. He blesses his devotees with bhakti and shakti, that is devotion and power or strength, respectively. Ma Sita gifted him with the Asti Siddhi and Navnidhi, 9 nidhis. He was also responsible for the destruction of Lanka, etc. Hari Ananta Hari Katha Ananta Kahi Sunahi Bahu Vidhi Sab Santa. Jai Sri Sitaram, Jai Jai Sri Sitaram.